Why do we get sunburned more easily when pregnant? The answer lies in surprising changes your body makes that boost skin sensitivity and sun damage risk. During pregnancy, your body produces much higher levels of estrogen and progesterone. These hormones influence your skin by increasing blood flow and making it more sensitive. Estrogen also stimulates melanin production, but in a way that can cause uneven pigmentation and reduce your skin's natural defense against UV rays. This hormonal shift means your skin's barrier weakens, making sunburns more likely even after less sun exposure. To protect the developing fetus, your immune system adjusts, dampening some responses to avoid rejecting the baby. This modulation affects your skin too. Normally, your skin repairs damage from UV rays efficiently. During pregnancy, these repair processes slow down. So when UV rays damage your skin cells, the damage accumulates more easily, leading to quicker and worse sunburns. Your body pumps more blood during pregnancy to support you and your baby. This increased circulation causes your skin to look flushed and feel warmer. When UV rays hit, this extra blood flow amplifies redness and inflammation, making sunburns more obvious and painful. This effect means you might notice burns faster and feel them more intensely than usual. So pregnancy makes your skin more vulnerable to sunburn through hormonal changes, immune shifts, and increased blood flow. Always protect your skin with sunscreen and shade. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and keep your curiosity glowing safely.